Hello everyone, just wanted to let you know that we now have the AtlanFilter in a lower hydraulic drop configuration. So this is the original AtlanFilter here, has an 850mm hydraulic drop, and it has 200mm high legs, so we can let 150mm of sediment build up underneath the filter before it needs cleaning. The filter with the lower hydraulic drop, this drops to 750mm, and where we take the height out is with the feet. So we can only let 50mm of sediment build up before this requires the sediment being removed, but the hydraulic performance is exactly the same. Where you're going to use this filter is on sites where you just need that little bit of extra head. It's not going to be your everyday filter, it's there just if you need it. And we do the same on the half-size filters as well. So this is the original half-size filter, runs at 1.5 litres a second, which is half the flow of the full-size units. And that's a 550mm hydraulic drop. And then this one here is 100mm less at 450mm.